Alright people, I'm gonna go and film something very nice. The new device. This is 502, the old version that I have, but I got 702BS from Carpuride. They sent it to me so I can test it and make a video review of it. Thanks to our nice collaboration that we're gonna make it happen. And the conditions are as follows. I get affiliate links, which means that if you buy Carpuride device through that link, I get a small percentage of it, and it does not have any additional cost extra to you. And they're also kind enough to give me a discount code, which you will find below in the description of the video, that I mentioned also in my previous review of when I did the review of this device, 502. Do the unboxing. I will open and see what comes in the box and how it mounts to the bike and how everything works. So more details to follow. Stay tuned in. Alright, so we arrived here on this lovely part of Hamburg behind Hafen City, and this is the box, this is the device, Carpuride 702BS, and this is what it comes in the box. You get the screen, and you get user manual, and that's it. Nothing else in the box. Okay. Since this is a specific BMW device, it has this flat mount, right? So I will just take the old one out so we can see how it looks, and by the way, you can also see how easy it is to take off and take down. Pull out the security lever, pop, that's it. So two devices compared next to each other here. You see how much this one is more out, huh? And compared like this. The other parts are pretty much the same. Rubber stop, so it doesn't shake that much. Mount goes there. This is off on button. This is for micro SD card. This here little part, that's the light sensor. And now I will put this on to see how this looks like. Tap, tap, and lock it, and that's it. And I will turn on the bike. Yeah. So let's go a little bit over the device itself. The device is huge. The highlights of this device, of course, it's seamlessly connecting to the both Apple CarPlay and androidauto. I have iPhone, so it's connected to my phone. The device is fully waterproof. IP67 is the rating on it. With the previous device 502, I was riding through all sorts of rain and everything, and I never had an issue with it. One of the big benefits of the new 702BS, apart from having a larger screen, and having the light sensor on it, so it can automatically dim. It can dim the display brightness. The biggest part of it is that now it supports BMW's Wonder Wheel, which means that I can, with this button, if I press up, I'm, as you can see, controlling the Navi. So my bike thinks that this is a Navi device, and now simply with Wonder Wheel I can have control of my new device. One of the things when I had 502, when I decided to buy a 5-inch screen and not 7-inch, is because when I'm riding, it is covering this part here on this display, right? So I cannot see how much fuel is left, what is the tire pressure, etc, etc, all the information that's there. Everybody who has a BMW GS, they know what I'm talking about. With this device, since it's a really nicely made to connect to interface of the bike, holding left, like this is what I did with Viswheel, and you are now on the screen of device itself. This screen supports all the information that bike provides to the little display down there. I have the tire pressure bar, I have my voltage of my battery, kilometers, I have the lean angle, I have RPMs, front brake, rear brake, all the information that I could possibly need, I have it on this screen. And go to the mountings. There I have inclination, I have barometers, which you can make. Now I'm like minus 30 meters, 130 meters, that's not so cool, and I should calibrate the compass and everything. I didn't do any of that. This is how you change the background on it. Of course, brightness, you can set it to automatically, or you choose it, whatever you want to do. This screen is particularly nice because you can see which direction you are driving, north, east, west, south. Sometimes I like to go and explore things without GPS and roughly to know where I have to head. Is it south or north or east? This would help me a lot in those cases. This device has a Bluetooth communication. This device can act as a mediator between two helmets or two communicators. You can connect two communicators in parallel, and then you can share the music via this device, or it can be an intercom device, so it's easy to talk with two persons which are connected via Bluetooth to the screen. Let's go back to AppleCarPlay, and when I cover this should be less bright. All of these apps you can rearrange on your phone. This is just recently connected, so I didn't choose any of the apps which will be on or off, or what is the status of them, which one is first, which one is last. And let's go to the home screen of this thingy, of the screen itself. You can make this low, and now it should recognize that there's a lot of light, and it should, yeah, it's coming to be more bright. Audio output, this is when you connect two helmets, so you can set which one is which. You can of course make equalizer to tune your music how it is and how it goes. So people, now I have everything set it up to ride to another place. This is usually where the bikers meet. I don't know, today probably not many people there because it's working day, but I just want to demonstrate how it looks like when you navigate with this device. That is a very lovely boat. of us is so-called Alp Tower, which was supposed to be in progress and building, but it's not, because I don't know, different complications and people going bankrupt and whatnot. I don't know exactly what's the deal, why everything stopped. Fine. So people, I wanna make this video to end. This is a short review of Carpuride 702. You can find purchase links down in the description, same as discount code that will give you 30% of discount. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions, please write in the comments. I will make sure to answer the questions if you have any. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. And that's it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.